aim of the game
Yep.
is to help Phil survive.
as much as you want to do the opposite.
Alright, do we just want to start with the hardest and the medium difficulty, or start from the beginning and work our way down?
Why don't you start with the beginning to warm yourself
Okay,
up?
okay. Alright. 5 minutes free modules, but the information will be obscured. Great.
Oh, what does that mean?
Let's find out together. Alright, load in, load in, load in. Oh no. Oh no! There's a radio?
Wait, have you started?
Yes, yes. There's
So
a
which one are you
radio?
doing first? The radio?
Yeah.
Yep.
The radio
Okay.
says TX on it, And it's at-
H12 first.
and it's at
Thank you.
3.505 megahertz.
3.505 megahertz.
The shell?
Shell?
No,
Sorry?
what's the word? What's the word?
TX.
What's
Is
that?
it
Like, yeah,
flashing lights?
Yes.
All right. What are the flashing lights?
Yeah, is it short or long?
What's this?
It's Morse code, yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
it's both.
No, you have to
Yeah,
start
yeah.
short, long, or long, short.
It goes short, short, long.
You,
Yeah.
and then
It just does that. Short, short, and then long. Oh wait, no, now it's not doing anything. You know what, let's do something else, eh?
No, I think it's I.
I'm sure it spells a word, right?
Yeah, if
Do
there's
I-
a long,
then-
there's a long gap between each letter.
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so it goes short,
a very long
short, gap, long,
Short.
short, 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 short. Wait.
I'm sure we're dead.
I can't.
Phil, when it's a very long gap, just
Alright, alright,
read
alright,
what you
alright,
see.
alright. Long, long. Just- Hey, hey, let's go to the other side, hey? Oh, look, there's 1, 2, 3, 6 wires.
Let's just do this one first.
Okay, let's do this one. Okay. What's the difference between short and long?
Hey,
Hold
long
on.
and long flash.
Short.
Short,
flash and
long.
flash.
Long, short, short, long, short. Oh,
Start
Jesus.
again.
Okay, long, short, short, short,
Wait,
long,
wait until there's
long,
long
short,
gap.
short,
Wait until there's a very long
long,
gap.
short, 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 short. So long,
You prick.
short, 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 long,
No,
short.
you have to pause when there's a
Okay,
pause.
okay,
You can't pause. You do like a pause.
okay, 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 okay,
So maybe you go short, short, long, break,
okay.
and then
It goes.
go long, long, break.
Okay, it goes. I don't know. Okay, it goes long, break, short, short,
Wait.
short, break, short, short, long, break. Now I don't know what it's doing. Hey, can we do the wires first? There's 6 wires.
Yeah, 6 wires. Yeah, 6 wires. Phil.
It goes yellow, white, red, red, white, white.
No, I'm fairly sure that word's not shell.
Cut the 4th wire.
Sweet. Oh my god. The other one is really long as well.
Wait, you know we have to come back to this, right?
Yeah, alright, we're going back to it. We're going back to it. Alright, what is it saying? Long, break. Short, short, oh, the power went out. The power went out.
Yeah, press the switch.
What switch? What switch? Oh, the power's back.
It's over.
I think that's what they mean by obscured information. That at certain points you'll lose power, maybe.
Probably, yeah.
come back to the Morse code one.
I'm on the Morse code one. Okay, it goes long break. Short. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. Oh my god, the alarm went off. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead.
Phil, skip down. I'm gonna.
We're dead. Oh wait, no! We still have 30 seconds. We still have 30 seconds. Never mind.
I'm gonna start.
Okay.
I'm gonna defuse the bomb.
But
Bro.
it was less though. Maybe you should have learned some Morse code before you.
I don't know Morse code. It's so confusing.
Alright, let's go in. Wait, just out of curiosity, are you still in there?
Yeah. Oh, now I'm dead. Now I'm dead. Now I'm dead.
It's gonna be like, can you try 3.6?